as always, high five. Ooh, we can do an after the 5. Hey, you want to be in my after the 5 video?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, come on over.
Oh, dude, nobody knows who I am, though.
Hey, you get to introduce yourself. You get to say stuff. Come on. Come on. So, at the end of every video, I do. Do you watch my videos?
Yeah.
Thanks.
You do after the 5?
I do it after the 5. So I drop my hand and I talk to the people on Patreon and the people that support me via the High Five Club.
Awesome. What's up, you guys?
So introduce yourself. Here.
My name is Dylan Wolf. I'm the creative lead here at Matterhackers. We're hanging out in my office/studio right now.
This is your office, isn't it?
It is.
It's kind of cool. You're over there working, and I'm just shouting at the camera.
You know, I'm listening in, getting a little sneak peek of the video. It's always fun.
It is fun. So I'm very curious. What is your workflow? How do you go about producing videos for the Matterhackers channel?
Ooh. So everything starts with, our idea. We throw out, we have a meeting. We say, okay, this would be cool. This is something that people need to know about. It kind of is. Like, we get new products that we want to talk about. Hey, Dave, come on in.
Oh,
hey, Dave. What's up?
We're filming after the 5.
And then, we're like, okay, we've got this cool video schedule. Let's come up with a script.
A script, okay.
So then we do a script.
Yeah.
And that's usually Alec and all of his awesomeness coming together and making
Alec
that
is
script
pretty
happen.
awesome.
Yes. And then we'll shoot some B-roll. We'll shoot the A-roll.
Wow.
It's magic.
It is magic. Hi, I know you've already put together a video for the Moai. I know. I saw Dave video and wearing those sweet, sweet glasses.
Confirmed. Because lasers.
What's the hardest part for you about filming and filming stuff
specifically
like
the
this?
Moai?
Or printers like this, because it's an enclosed printer. You want to capture stuff on the inside.
That's probably the hardest part. Is there's so many cool things like the lasers that you just have to have the right setup to shoot those properly.
That's true.
And just making sure that everything's dialed in so that you can get that shot. Sometimes depending on it, it's going to be like a 5-second shot in the video, right? So you don't want to spend like 4 hours trying to get it. So sometimes that happens, but
that's true. Cool.
Yeah, these machines are so rad. There's just like so many things to B-roll also. It's like, okay, I need to get this. I want to get this. I want to get this. All these features that are coming out on these new printers are crazy.
What's your favorite model on the table?
I love this little sunken benchy.
It's really cool.
It's new and it's just like so detailed and rad. I immediately, when I saw it, I was like, this is my favorite thing ever.
Really? I like that. Someone actually, I posted a picture up on Twitter that this is what I was working on.
Yeah.
And people were like, ooh, cool, yay, cool. And someone said, please show that you don't have to just print trinkets with this thing. And so that's why I thought it was really cool to have the ring model, because people can actually use this for production, like for small business.
Casting and stuff like that.
And then game miniatures. I mean, that's a business all in itself. I mean, I love my benchies. I love my trinket prints, but it makes sense that something like this would actually empower a small business.
These things are like good to show you, like, oh, this is the level of detail that I can get out of this machine. Yeah. And then apply that to whatever you're doing.
That's right, because rather than one ring, you could have 36 rings all going at once. Dude, thanks for being in my After the 5.
Hey, thanks for having me, Joel.
Appreciate it. All right. Well, anything you want to say to the audience before we go?
High five.
High five.
Nice.